In the middle of a city that never stops moving, there are moments that only appear when the sun decides to hide. Overcast skies, shades of gray, and fading light. For photographers, it becomes the perfect time to explore. When the overcast came, the light became less forgiving. Raise the ISO if needed, and yes, it might expose a little bit of noise, but it's still acceptable. Under the overcast sky, usually the colors turn slightly muddy, street lines, window shapes, the rhythm of buildings. Every structural element of buildings becomes more defined. In street photography, uncertainty is part of the experience, whether it's a rain or an overcast sky. This condition can completely change the images we originally envisioned. This is what makes photography even more challenging. When things don't go the way you planned, when the shadows that could shape a story simply don't appear. And when the rain stops, the streets often grow quieter, replaced by the soft sound of water dripping. In this situation, the skies bring the gentle light, wrapping the entire city in a soft muted tone. No harsh shadows, no bright highlight. Yet, it's in moments like this that the small details on building, the trees, and the thin shimmer on wet sidewalk begin to stand out. The texture that usually hard to notice in normal weather now reveal themselves. The streets carry the scent of weather, and reflection began to form with light showing across the surface of puddles. The rain changes behavior, and the movement become more spontaneous. And for photographer, this change become the idea for visual exploration. When the rain starts to fall, it can become one of camera greatest enemies. Like my Olympus CM10 Mark III, for example, has no weather ceiling and its build quality isn't designed for extreme condition. Sometimes I have to play hide and seek with the rain just to capture a moment. Using the 14 to 42mm kit lens makes it easier to capture images in overcast condition, thanks to its manual zoom control. However, this lens does produce a bit of noise in low light situation, and that noise becomes more noticeable when shooting at 800 ISO and above.